Hey there, this is K4A, and in this video today we are going to talk about how to install Unreal Editor for Fortnite. In previous video we have talked about this guy here, this tool, this beast here, Fortnite, the game which needs 60 gigabytes of your hard disk space, hard drive space, and limitations and expectations for minimum system requirements are listed below, so you can check if you can run it, test it, if you install it, test if you can install it on your computer and run it. And that's the first step. If you do not meet these requirements, if you cannot install this game, ecosystem, multiverse, however they call it today or tomorrow, you won't be able to do what we're talking about today and install this tool here. So this is the first step. If you cannot do that, that's it. You have failed on the first step in terms of what you need to develop for Fortnite, and that's it. Even though you want to do that, if you have some kind of crazy ideas and so on, you won't be able to work in Unreal Editor for Fortnite because you don't have Fortnite. Fortnite is a must. So either you buy a new computer or maybe try to develop at some, I don't know, institution, school, at your friend's house, team, whatever, but you need Fortnite. So after that step, if it's successful, then you can install this tool here, this Unreal Editor for Fortnite, and that's what we're talking about today. The same rules apply which we have talked about in previous videos, so this one should be much shorter. So all you have to do is go to Epic Games Store, which you have already made account at in previous step when you installed Fortnite. To install Fortnite you need Epic Games Store account. Same for this tool here. You just click on Get, and it's free, as a Fortnite is free at basic level, of course, and it will add this tool to your library of games and applications of Epic Games Store. Then you open your Epic Games Store library launcher, and in launcher, in library you can see all of your games here which you want to install. In my case, most of them are free. I think I only bought maybe one or two, I don't know, maybe even none, I don't remember. I use a couple of those: Steam, Epic Store, Good Old Games, and so on. So you search here for Fortnite in Fortnite Editor, Unreal Editor. Here in title you can search for it if you have lots of games and you are too lazy to scroll down and find it, and then click on this button, this install, and it will open like a window with some kind of information on what you're installing, like in terms of size in gigabytes, where do you want to install it, like if you have a couple of hard drives, C, D, whatever they are called, you can pick the one which you want to install on. And again, system requirements should be, I think it makes sense to be for this guy here same as for this guy here, because you are making games and apps for Fortnite. So you need to meet these expectations, and this one should just follow. So let me compare. Windows 10, 8 gigabytes, Core i3. Yeah, that's it. That's the same. That's what I was talking about all the time here. how they are trying to connect everything together and to lock you in some way in it, like Roblox is doing and some other platforms are trying to do, and to keep you in their ecosystem as long as possible. This tool, Unreal Editor for Fortnite, it's just one part of it. It is one part of Unreal Epic Games Fortnite multiverse, however they call it, empire. And that's it, yeah, for this video. So you should be able to install this guy here fast and easy, and it will take, I think, around 4 gigabytes only. I said only because compared to 60 gigabytes you already gave to Fortnite installation. So yeah, maybe we can check that. Here no, because it's running, I should have shut it down. So this is how it looks in Unreal Editor for Fortnite. I have to use some kind of shorter word in future, like editor only. You will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, look at these leaves. Really, I like how they are animated, how they look nice. So this that is how you install the Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Again, it's a part of Fortnite and Epic Games ecosystem, so you have to do that in the way they are asking you to do. That's the only way. The first thing to do is install this Epic Games launcher, then install Fortnite, then install this Unreal Editor for Fortnite. All along that will take around, I think, 70 gigabytes of your hard disk space, maybe a little bit less. But again, as I was talking in previous videos, these tools, these applications, they need updates, they grow, they are alive, so they will change from time to time, and you will need to bring more space for them. You will need to bring better graphics card, more memory, more better hardware, and so on and so on. So just expect that. I guess most of it's logical and makes sense, but again, even if it doesn't, those are the rules they have invented, and you should just obey them if you want to develop in it. I will try to make some kind of Roblox starting videos too, just to compare these two workflows. Maybe I think that would be interesting. I said this video would be shorter. Unfortunately, it's also around 10 minutes. Sorry, but again, these steps are just the first steps you need to go through. In next videos, I hope I will finally start this tool and maybe create some simple stuff and tutorials in it until they change their system requirements and ask us to bring more gigabytes and more stuff to launch this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.